Horses are the universally accepted means of transport here, usurping cars. They require little maintenance and no fueling stations. The horse is a national symbol of Mongolia. It is as important to the people as their religion, Buddhism. Reaching the Tövhön Hiid temple is a long and tedious ordeal. In spite of its inaccessibility, it receives a great number of visitors. In 1936, there were over 50 temples in Mongolia. After the communists completed their purge, there were only a handful left. Dozens of monks, occupied with the task of temple reconstruction as well as liturgy, reside at the Tövhön Hiid temple. The Tövhön Hiid temple is an important pilgrimage site for the Mongolians. It is the place where one of the greatest national thinkers, Zanabazar, chose to meditate. It is said that those who would lie on the floor of the adjoining cave will be purged of sin. Plentiful gifts testify to the gratitude of those previously purified. Impressive views of the surrounding woods are the ultimate reward for those men who reach the summit of Tövhön Hiid. For some obscure reason, women are denied access to this vantage point. Pilgrims are drawn to the temple by Zanabazar's legacy. No lesser an attraction is a spring whose sacred waters are deemed to have healing properties. A contrast more stark may be difficult to find. The scorching dunes of the Singing Desert as opposed to the 1,100-kilometer-long river Orkhon. The river valley is so strikingly beautiful, it was included as a National Heritage Site by UNESCO. The highlight of this river's course is a 20-meter-high waterfall. The unpredictable weather can cause it to run dry, sometimes for as long as 10 consecutive months. In the springtime, during the thaw, the waterfall is quite impressive.